More than 2 years down the line and what feels like forever, the DJI Mavic 3 is officially here. With not one but two cameras, your DJI Mavic 3 becomes a dynamic new drone that offers you two powerful cameras to film cinematic quality shots with the utmost precision. Today we dive into all the major highlights of the all-new DJI Mavic 3. As DJI Technology Corporation Limited, or Shenzhen DJI Sciences and Technologies Limited in full, is a Chinese technology business headquartered in Shenzhen, Guangdong, better known by its trade name DJI, which stands for Dajiang Innovations, are the makers of the DJI Mavic series drones. From OcuSync 3.0 Plus to ActiveTrack 5.0, the DJI Mavic 3 comes with a slew of new technologies that help you get better footage and a more steady flight. You'll love the DJI Mavic 3's dual camera system and extreme precision positioning technology. Whether you choose the DJI Mavic 3 Fly More Combo or the DJI Mavic 3 Sim Premium Combo for more storage and features. If you've seen the DJI Mavic 2 Pro, then you're already aware of the power of a Hasselblad camera on an aerial drone. Impressed with that? Wait till you find out the modified camera on the Mavic 3. New design. Starting with the design, the Mavic 3, unlike its predecessor, the Mavic 2 Pro, was designed from scratch. The new drone weighs 12.5 grams and folds into itself to measure 8.3 by 3.8 by 3.5 inches, 212 by 96.3 by 90.3 millimeters. Its equivalent autofocus lens has an extra wide field of view of 84 degrees, and this allows you to capture even more details in your shot with crystal clear clarity. It can also still be carried in a standard camera bag. So for instance, it makes it easy to carry the drone whenever you have to go for a trip. Battery. When completely charged, the 5,000 mAh, 77 watt-hour capacity of this battery lets the Mavic 3 fly for up to 46 minutes. The battery is made of a durable yet lightweight material, weighing only 335.5 grams. 335.5 grams seems a lot, but subscribing to this channel for the best tech content online is much more lighter. So yes, smash that subscribe button. The Mavic 3 drone has a unique rear-loading battery area with handy latches on both sides for quick and secure battery attachment and detachment. Flight time. Both the standard and SIN versions of DJI's new Mavic 3 have significantly improved flight times. This isn't just a tiny improvement either, because you can keep your Mavic 3 up in the air for up to 46 solid minutes. And thanks to the Mavic 3's expanded flight time, you can complete every phase of your trip. Your long exposure images will come out with exceptional clarity thanks to the DJI Mavic 3's high-precision positioning. The Mavic 3 will hover with the maximum stability, allowing you to film even smoother time-lapse recordings. The Mavic 3 has a longer flight time due to a more efficient propulsion engine and a larger battery, and it also has a 50% higher wind resistance than the Mavic 2, ensuring your trips are safer. The DJI Mavic 3 has a 15-kilometer transmission range to send steady signals with less video lag, which goes hand-in-hand with the longer flight time. Control. The Mavic 3 also has a 15-kilometer low-latency video transmission range thanks to the new and upgraded OcuSync 3.0 Plus transmission mechanism. O3 Plus, as DJI popularly calls it, is the improved version of the company's previous communication system method between the controller and the drone, and this system's new O3 Plus allows you to control the drone from up to 15 kilometers away, and DJI assures it's less susceptible to interference. So not only is it more steady, but it also has reduced lag. So you won't have to worry about traveling to get closer to your shot because you can safely fly the drone from the ground while exploring up to 12 to 15 kilometer radius around you. The camera? Now let's talk about the camera, or yet still the cameras. Two different gimbal cameras on one drone. Produced by Hasselblad, the legendary Swedish photography company has developed a new camera for the DJI Mavic 3, modifying the powerful L2D20C aerial camera to Hasselblad's high standards. The picture sensor on the Hasselblad camera is larger than it has ever been. The primary camera on the DJI Mavic 3 has been improved with the new camera module, which also includes a zoom, a professional-grade 4.3 CMOS sensor, and a 24mm prime lens with an 84-field view redesigned into the main camera and records in up to 5.1K resolution, which is significant improvement. The Mavic 3's 4.3 CMOS image sensor not only improves the Mavic 3's higher resolution and dynamic range, but it also reduces noise in low-light situations. This means that when you find yourself shooting in low-light situations, your photographs and videos will still remain clean and grain-free. The second camera is a telephoto camera with a secondary 12 CMOS-powered telephoto zoom camera. This camera takes 12-megapixel photos and has a 28x hybrid zoom that allows you to zoom in on distant scenes or subjects to save time. You can even use the zoom technology to record subjects from a long distance without disturbing any of the elements. The telephoto camera's 162mm f4.4 lens gives your aerial imagery a new and distinct look. Omnidirectional obstacle sensing. On to the final highlight. The Mavic 3's advanced safety features allows you to concentrate on capturing the perfect shot and spend less time worrying about the drone. The Mavic 3 uses a high-performance vision computing engine to precisely detect obstacles in any direction. And thanks to wide-angle vision sensors located on the drone, any surrounding obstructions will be automatically detected by the drone and safe flight paths will be initiated. One of the more expensive drones is the Mavic 3, but it is more than worth the money, though, because the high-quality Hasselblad camera, coupled with all of the enhanced clever features, gives you twice the power with two cameras. Thank you for watching today's video. You can also check out our other video on the drone with the smoothest flight experience, the DJI Mavic 3. Until next time, have a great day.